Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add breadcrumbs to your WordPress blocksy posts. Okay, we have one of our posts here, and you can see we have our title, but we want to add the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is the little text here that says home, and then there's an arrow that says blog, and then there's an arrow that says the title over here. So let's go ahead and click on Customize and enter the WordPress customizer. Okay, here we have it. Let's scroll down to Post Types, and on Single Post, let's click on Post Title, and you can see we have breadcrumbs hidden. So let's click on this eye icon, and you can now see we have our breadcrumbs enabled. Now we can end there, but we can choose to enable or disable it on desktop, tablet, or mobile, because it does take up a bit of space. And under Design, we can change the font of the breadcrumbs. So let's select a serif font. Let's select this as our font. We can make it a bit bigger or smaller, maybe a bit larger, and then we can change up the colors a bit. Yeah. Okay. And then can we make it a bit thicker? No, we can't. Okay, so I'm happy with those breadcrumbs being enabled. Let's go ahead and head over to General here. And under breadcrumbs, we can configure here our separator. Like I said a while ago, we have the arrows. And we have the slash bar. I like this arrow better. And we can either change it from text home to the house icon, and then we can change where it exactly appears, and then this is the default one. And you see a while ago I changed it to red, but this applies only to posts, and this is breadcrumbs for the whole website. So I'm happy with those changes. Let's click on publish to save them. Let's hit reload, and we now have breadcrumbs on our WordPress blocksy posts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.